Assalamu alaikum to everyone. Welcome to our official YouTube channel that is named as Learning of English Language. As you guys are well familiar that today is our 15th lecture of YouTube channel and today's topic of discussion is phrases and clauses. In this lecture, we will discuss about the types and kinds or different sorts of the phrases and clauses. Before starting our today's lecture, I would like to request all of you guys to like, subscribe, and share our official YouTube channel with your dear and near ones. Let's start our today's lecture. First of all, discuss what actually phrase is. A phrase is a group of words without a subject and verb that functions in a sentence as one part of speech. Just for examples, leaving behind the dog, smashing into a fence before the first test. Now, in these three examples, it is completely clear that it is a group of words without a subject and a verb, but it functions in a sentence as one part of speech. So, it's a phrases. If we discuss about the types of the phrases, so let's discuss one by one all of its type. First one is prepositional phrase. Prepositional phrase contain a preposition and a noun or pronoun called the object of the preposition. Examples: on the freshly pressed white jacket. Now, on, it's a preposition. Pressed white jacket. White jacket, it's a object of the preposition. Second is beside the driftwood and seaweed. Beside, it's a preposition. Again, a driftwood and seaweed. Both are object of the prepositions. Prepositional phrases modify adjectives or adverbs and are called either adjective phrases or adverb phrases. So, what is adjective phrase? Adjective phrase is a prepositional phrase that modifies a noun or pronoun by telling what kind of or which one is it. Just like examples are given here, for Tom, fame is the only reason for writing. What kind of reason? The lamp on Tom's desk was a Christmas gift. Which lamp? Basically, it answers WH family question like which, what, whom, where, same as below. Then comes adverb phrase. Adverb phrase is a prepositional phrase that modifies a verb, an adjective, or adverb by pointing out where, when, in what manner, or to what extent. Examples are here. Wanting to impress you, Tom planned to make reservations at an expensive restaurant. Make reservations where? It answers the question where. The volcano rumbled in the early morning. Rumbled when? Tom consumed the Sunday in short order. Consumed in what manner? The shovel bit deep into the earth. Deep to what extent? Second type of phrase is appositive and appositive phrases. These are the words placed next to nouns and pronouns to provide additional information. An appositive is a noun or pronoun placed next to another noun or pronoun to identify, rename, or explain it. Just two examples are given here. She did not care for his hobby, running. My friend Marlene broke her collarbone. Third type is verbal and verbal phrases. A verbal is a word derived from a verb but used as a noun, adjective, or adverbs. A verbal with modifiers or complement is called a verbal phrase. There are three kinds of verbals. First one is participles, gerunds, and third one is infinitives, and the phrases that can be formed around them. Next topic is clauses. First of all, the question arises what actually a clause is. So, a clause is a group of words with its own subject and verb. Just examples are given here. Since she laughs at definite men, because she smiled at him when the saints go marching in. There are two kinds of clauses. First one is independent clause. It has a subject and verb and it can stand by itself as a complete sentence. Two examples are given here. The school will be closed on Friday. I love grammar. Second type is subordinate clause. It is also known as dependent clause. A subordinate clause, although it has a subject and a verb, cannot stand by itself as a sentence. It is only a part of a sentence. Just like the examples are given here after the children left for school. Because I love grammar. Let's see the structure of a sentence. Sentences may be classified according to the kind and number of clauses they contain. First one is simple sentence. It consists of a single independent clause. Second thing is compound sentence. It consists of two or more independent clauses joined by a comma and coordinating conjunction or by a semicolon. A complex sentence consists of one independent clauses and one or more subordinate clauses. Fourth one is a compound complex sentence. It consists of two or more independent clauses and one or more subordinate clauses. If you liked our video, then kindly show your feelings in our comment section. I'll really appreciate your feelings, your thoughts. One more thing that I'd like to request all of you guys that kindly share our official YouTube channel that is named as Learning of English Language with your dear and near ones. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.